Hello all, myself Tushar Orkhade. Today I am going to explain the question called find the maximum and value pair in the array. So we have given one array with the n elements. So we need to tell the maximum and value pair of all the possible pairs from the array. So brute force approach, we can think about that. Start iterating means make all the n into n minus 1 upon 2 pairs and keep updating the its end value between them. So we can think about by using two loops. For one loop goes from I equals to 0 to n minus 2, and another loop goes from I plus 1 to n minus 1, and I will keep updating the maximum value of the n between these pair. But this approach will give time limit exceeded as the value of n is very large, and the time complexity of this approach is big of n square. So we need to think about a solution which runs in big of n time complexity. So I knew one thing, that integer consists of 32 bits. Integer number consists of 32 bits, and if I am performing the AND operation, if both the bits are set, then only I can get answer as 1. If both the bits are 1, then I can only get 1. And also one thing I knew, that if the nth bit is set, the number can form is 2 raised to n minus 1. 2 raised to n minus 1. And if all the remaining n minus 1 bit are set, the numbers I can get is 2 raised to n minus 1 minus 1. So clearly I can see that the number with nth bit set is greater than all the number with all the n minus 1 bit is set. And I know that integer is 32 bits, so I can traverse bit by bit over the elements of the array. So I can start traversing from the most significant bit, that is 31st bit, and take one variable answer. I can check if I will get at least 2 elements from the array having the ith bit as a set. So I will start till I greater than equals to 0. Then I will make one function get count, which gives me the count of elements having the ith bit as a set, and I will pass answer ith bit with ith bit set as an argument. So in the get count function, I will check if I can how many pairs I will get. I will iterating from I equals to 0 to I less than n. I will check if answer and array of I equals to answer. Why this condition? Because if let's consider if any answer have any 2 bits set, then the array must have at least both bit needs to be set to get the maximum value. So I increment the count, and at last I have written the count. Here I check if the count is greater than equals to 2, means I have get at least 2 pairs. So I will set my ith bit of the answer, and I will traversing from the most significant bit. So the answer I will get is already maximum. Then at last I will return the answer. The time complexity of this approach will be big of n, because I will iterating 32 times over the array. So we can say that it's 32 into n, but normally we can say it big of n. So this is the best approach. Thanks for watching.